Okay, I'm just turning it on. We wish we were up there with you guys.
Absolutely.
Did you go?
All right, let's see. Don't like get crazy. Let's see. What is that?
That's cool.
What is it? Is it a game? Is that a game?
Yeah, it's really cool looking.
Well, we'll have to read the directions. Daniel, what is that?
So, if your crayons break, you put them in, and then they come back to normal.
Daniel, turn that up. Let me see what it is, honey.
I got
Turn.
crayon maker.
Oh, cool! A crayon maker.
Mommy, look what I got.
You had that on your list.
Yeah,
I
you guys
wanted
have
it.
some really
I
neat
saw
projects.
that on TV and I liked it.
Awesome.
I got the
Where does the trash go?
Crayola maker. Isabella, look what I got.
And who do you say thank you to? Who got those for you?
Thank you, Grandma Jade. Thank you, Grandma Jade.
We need a little help with that one from Daddy.
You can help in.
I have a portable art studio now. It's the same as the one I have,
But a little miniature one to take it places. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's like easy. That's so great.
I'll be singing you. Really like that. Thank you. Merry Christmas. I love my presents.
You gotta stop on that.
Okay, what's in there? Did you open that up, Daniel?
Go.
You have more over there. Isabella, there's more over there from Grandma and Zaid. Those red... Isabella, the red over there are the other ones for you from Grandma and Zadie. Okay, guys. What is that?
Flames, flames.
Ooh!
Dusty.
How many are in there?
Dusty.
Wow, cool.
And-
you.
Yeah, there's. No, that's not dusty. No, they were painted.
Hey,
What?
hey, before you open anything else,
And Santa
Isabella,
got you the movie?
Isabella, clean up.
Wow. Grandma probably has a direct in.
Hey, all that, clean up.
Here, just so we can see what you're doing here. And what you're getting.
That box,
Okay.
cleaned up.
Honey. Isabella, just move the box. Please, quickly, so I can see what Daniel's getting.
What is that thing?
What is that, Daniel?
Play-Doh.
Oh, Play-Doh! You love Play-Doh.
Superhero
We haven't gotten Play-Doh in a long time. Oh my goodness. What is that, Isabella?
Here's what Santa got me, but in different. Make your own crayon.
Oh no, those are a crayon. That's a crayon maker.
Yeah.
That's not what the other thing was. What is that? Lift that up. Daniel just got one.
Molo. Yeah, because we both wanted one.
I know. Well, Grandma's
It's
good.
the same one.
No, that's a different thing. Those are add-ons. Whatever Santa got were add-ons to that. Like extra packages to make the stuff.
That was the ring parts.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is that a train?
That's from Grandma and Zadie too. Holy mackerel. What is that?
Is that a construction site?
Oh my goodness, it is.
Anything
A
else?
Kenneth.
Hey, what it is, you
Oh,
unfold that, put it on the ground, and that's the construction site, I believe. Oh, cool. And
It says
you
a
put
Kenneth.
stuff on it.
A Kenneth.
Oh my goodness.
Can you open it? Daddy.
Not right this second, though.
Oh, those are cute.